Alright, so welcome to the part 2 of our discussion in naive Gaussian elimination, a numerical method of solving the solutions or the values of linear equations, particularly simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so for this video, we'll be solving um, a problem for equations for unknowns. Okay, so we have this example. So find the value for x, y, z, and w for these three given equations. So x plus 2y plus w is equals to 9, y plus z plus 2w is equals to 13, 2x plus z plus w is equals to 9, and x plus y plus z plus w is equals to 10. Okay, so we have here our solution. Okay, so the very first thing to do is to create the A times X equals to B matrix. So that will be for the first equation, we have the coefficients. So 1, 2. So we don't have Z, so that will be 0, 1. No? So this will be here X. Okay, this will be equal to 9. Okay, the next one, the second equation. So this will be 0. We don't have X. 1 for Y, 1 for Z, and 2 for W. This will be equal to 13. Then we have 2, 0, 1, and 1. So this will be Z. This will be 9. And the last equation, so we have 1 for X, 1 for Y, 1 for Z, 1 for W. And this will be equal to 10. Then we do the augmented matrix. So we have 1, 2, 0, 1. So this will be 9. 0, 1, 1, 2. So this will be 13. Then we have 2, 0, 1, 1. So this will be 9. And 1, 1, 1, 1. This will be 10. Okay. So now, so if we are going to label our rows, so this will be R1, R2, R3, and R4. Okay. So for R2, we look for R2. So R2, the first element is already 0. So what we are going to do now is to make the element for R3 and R4 equal to 0. So to do that, so we have here R3 is equal to, so R3 we subtract twice of R1. Okay, so that now will become, so we have 2 minus 2 times 1, so that will be 0. Then we have 2 minus, as no, not 2 but 0. So 0 minus 2 times 2. So that will be negative 4. Okay. Then we have 1 minus 2 times 0. So that will be equal to 1. No? Then we have 1 minus 2 times 1. So it will be negative 1. And for this part here, so we have 9 minus 2 times 9, 18. And that will be equal to negative 9. Okay. Then for R4, so we have R4 minus R1. So subtract, no? So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 2, this is negative 1. Then we have 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Okay. So our new augmented matrix will now become, so we have 1, 2, 0, and 1. Okay, then we have 0, 1, 1, 2. Then for the third row, it will become 0, negative 4, 1, and negative 1. Then for the fourth row, R4, so 0, negative 1. So this is 1, 1, and 0. So for this one here, we have 9, 13, negative 9, and so we have here our new augmented matrix. Okay, so we need to eliminate again, no, uh, the elements of the second row for R3 and R4. So we have R3 is equal to R3 plus. For this one, we need to use R2, no? If because we are going to use R1, so our first element here will again become a non-zero number. So 4 times R1. Okay, so we have, so not R1 but R2, sorry. Okay, so we have, so for the first element, so we have 0 plus 0, so that will just be equal to 0. Then negative 4 plus 4 times 1, so that will be 0. Then we have 1 plus 4 times 1. So 1 plus 4 times 1. So that is equal to 5. No? Then we have negative 1 plus 4 times 2. So that is 8. So 1, negative 1 plus 8. So that will be equal to 7. No? For the constant, so we have negative 9 plus 4 times 13. So that will be 52. So negative 9 plus 52. So this will be 43. Okay. Now we go to R4. Okay. So we have R4 plus R1. Just because we are doing plus negative 4 on R1. So this will just be equal to 0. Okay. So we have 0 plus 0 is 0. Negative 1 plus 1. So it will be 0. 1 plus 1. So it will be 2. Then we have here 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, so this will be 2. Then we have 1 plus 13, so that will be equal to 14. Okay, so rewriting now our new augmented matrix. So we have 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. Then we have 0, 0, 5, 7. Then you have 0, 0, 2, then 2. Okay, we have 9, 13, 43, and 14. Okay, so next we are going to remove the non-zero or make this tone 0 from R4 using R3. Okay, so to do that, so what we are going to do is R4 is just equal to R4 minus 2 over 5 R3. Okay, so this one will be equal to 0. Then we have 0. So R4 is equal to 2. Then 5 times 2 over 5 negative. So that is equals to 2. So 2 minus 2, that will be equal to 0. And we have R4. So 2 minus 14 over 2. No, because this is 2 times 7 times 2 is equals to 14. It's over 5 pala. No, not over 2. 14 over 5. Okay. So we just have our calculator. So we have 2 minus 14 over 5. Okay. So that is negative 4 over 5 for our constant. So we have 14 minus 43, 43 times 2 over 5. Okay, so we have negative 16 over 5 is equals to negative 16 over 5. Okay, so writing our another augmented matrix. We have 1, 2, 0, 1. Then we have 0, 1, 1, 2. Then you have 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 7. And we have 0, 0, 2, 2. For our constants, this will be 9, 13. Then we have 43 and negative 16 over 5. So I make a mistake here. No? So this is the new row 4. So that will be 0, 0, 0, negative 4 over 5. Okay. So from row 4, so from this row, so we could say that negative 4 over 5 W is equals to negative 16 over 5. No? Solving for W, so we have negative 16 over 5 divide negative 4 over 5. So cancel out. So we have negative 16 divided by negative 4, and our W is equals to 4. Okay, so we are now on back substitution. So from 3, no? So row 3, it's ones of 5 and 7. So that is 5y plus 7w is equal to 43. No? So substituting 5y plus 7 times 4 is equal to 43. So we have 5y plus 28 is equals to 43. So 5y minus equal to 43 minus 28. Okay. So this will be equal to 5y is equals to 15. So divide both sides by 5. So y is equals to 3. So our y is equals to 3. So from row 2, no? So row 2 tayo. So that is 0. So that is x already is 0. So we have y plus z plus 2 w is equals to 13. Okay. So y plus our z is 4. True. Okay. So I make a mistake here in our variable. So this is not y, but this is z. No, because we are on the third row. Okay. So sorry for that. So this will be z. Huh? Okay. So our z is 4 plus 2 times 4 is equal to 13. So we have y plus 4. So we have, is it 13 or 13? Okay. So this is not our y, our z. No, z natin is not 4, but 3. So this is 3 here. Okay. So this is 3. Okay, 3 plus 8 is equals to 13. So we have y plus 11 is equals to 13. And we have y is equals to 13 minus 11. So y is equal to 1. Okay, so that will be our y. For the x, so we have using row 1. So that will be x plus 2y. So we don't have z. So plus, so this is 1. So this is just omega here. No? So do we have not omega but w. W is equals to 9. So substituting. So x plus 2 times 1 plus 4 is equal to, so this will be equal to 9. No? So 9. So do we have a coefficient for x here? Okay. Okay, so for this one, so our y is equal to 2. No? So this one is 2. Okay. So 13 minus 11, so this is 2. So 2, so we have x plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 9. So x plus 8 is equals to 9. So we have x equals to 9 minus 8. This is 9. So x is equals to 1. Okay. So the values now of our variables are unknown. So the x, y, z, and w is equal to 1 for y2, for z3, and for w4. So this is now our answer. Okay. So I hope you understand something in this video. And as always, enjoy learning.